What did you just do? Did you go and open that drawer up so you could get your collar out? Go get your collar. Go on, go get it. Go get your collar. Go get your collar. Go on. No, you go get it. Chico, where's your collar? Are you going to get your collar? No, you go get it. You going to get a snack? Where's your collar? Is your big dog going to get your collar for you? Get your collar. Are you telling him, Chico? Get down. Go get your collar, Biggs. Get down. Come here. Go get your collar. Come here. What's the matter? What do you need? No, you can go get it. Came over to the leash drawer, opened it with his paw a little bit, and then used his nose to open the rest of it. Where's your collar? You're gonna get him, Chico. Come here, Biggs. Come here. Come here.